What's going on? It's your boy Bearded Existence, and I am back to do another video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you brothers about what to do to protect your beard throughout the winter months and how the change of seasons can affect your beard and what you can do to protect it. So, what can you do to protect your beard throughout the cold winter months? I'm going to tell you now. You can step up your beard routines. So you may want to add another deep condition day to your beard routine. So instead of doing a deep condition once or twice a month, do one deep condition once a week, especially in the colder months when the temperature really drops, or if you work outside in the colder elements. That's really gonna help your beard out. Another thing that helps your beard in the winter months is going to be the types of products that you use. I use a little bit more balm in the winter. Also, there are different oils. There are oils that moisturize your beard and really penetrate and get into your beard, and then there's oils that seal. Okay, so some oils are sealing oils, and they tend to either block things from getting into your beard or block things from escaping your beard, like moisture. So Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, and grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil will be my #1 choice for being a sealing oil, and jojoba and Jamaican black castor oil would be my #2 as far as sealing. So those two oils, if you put them on at the end of your routine, if you're going to spend large amounts of time outside, they're going to seal in all of the moisture you put in, as well as keep out some of the harsher conditions that you're going to be dealing with throughout the winter months. Okay, so these months can be critical to your beard growth. They can be critical to your beard health, and there's some things you can do to protect your beard and take advantage of that time. And you can do some things that's going to combat what's taking place naturally because of the temperatures. One of them, midwinter, if you're noticing winter has been really rough on your beard, do a very, 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 very small trim. I'm talking about taking off 1/4 of an inch. I'm not talking about going to the barber shop and telling the barber, do a small trim, because we all know that can end up being a big cut. I'm talking a minimal 1/4 inch trim. That's gonna get off all your dead ends. That's gonna cut your split ends, and that's gonna help to give your beard a boost. And you may be surprised how your beard may rebound after such a small trim. Make sure after the trim, immediately after, the same day, you do a deep condition. I see great results doing deep conditions after small trims. Trust me, I've been testing a lot of theories lately, and my beard bounces back really hard and strong after very minimal trims. Last but not least, I'm going to talk to you brothers about something I talked to y'all about before, and it was about 2 years ago, because I went looking for the video. I get a lot of questions about what you can do to protect your beard when you work outside in the elements, when you work outside in the cold, when you work in dusty, dirty environments, and that is going to be the Columbia Buff. I talked about this before. This is actually the same one that I had in that video. I probably had this one for like 4 years, so they last long. For you brothers that use do-rags, it feels like that same type of material. It's probably about, these are like $25 or so, and they work wonders for keeping your beard clean. They also can keep you a little bit warmer in the winter months, and they soften, believe it or not, because of the material. It's going to soften your beard a little bit. Now, when you read the description, it's going to say it's moisture wicking, and you're going to think this is going to suck all the moisture out of my beard, because that's what it's designed to do, take the sweat from your skin and push it to the outside of the fabric. I haven't had that problem, and I use it all the time. All right, I'm just going to show you how it works. Now, and when I take this thing off, my beard is softer than when I put it on, so I know it doesn't cause any harm to the beard or dry the beard out. It also protects the beard and from the cold and your neck. So you know, this is something that if you can see, you know, it you know, it really helps out. So I'm gonna recommend that you brothers that work outside get yourselves a buff, or even if you like to wear a scarf, you can put the buff on first, and then you can wrap your scarf around it if it's like a wool scarf or a heavy scarf, and this will protect your beard from the friction of the scarf. All right. And when you don't want it up, you can always pull it down. It'll still be on your neck, and it'll keep your neck warm. Now, the one thing I do have to tell you, when you get on Amazon, if you shop around, you're gonna see other buffs, and you can get like 10 buffs for the price of this one, 10 for $20. Do not buy them, okay? They're not the same material. These are gonna be like a cotton, and this is gonna dry your beard out. It's not gonna have the same effect as this material. This is almost like, I don't know, it's like a polyester. It's not a silk, but it's like a polyester silkish feeling type of material. This is a cotton. You get what you pay for. The cheap ones you do not want, all right? So I don't want to make this video run on too long, but I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. To all of you that's not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Y'all brothers, do me a favor and hit that like button. That really helps the channel, and it helps the videos to reach more people. I would really appreciate that. If there's a topic you'd like me to do a video on, drop it in the comment section of the video, and I'll be sure to try to get to that. All right? Your brother will be back at y'all again soon. Y'all be safe. As always, peace.